Can access? What did you do?
Search here.
Can you click one in here that says admin access right here?
Yes. Administrator access.
Okay. Then you click next.
Next. Mr. Since password, okay.
Say it again.
No. Get it.
So you create the user, right?
Okay.
So you're gonna share it, email instruction.
Okay, let me
Which file you downloading? You don't need to
download
wait.
this CSV file.
Oh,
Okay.
you want to download this file?
I mean this result credentials. You'll send me this on Fiverr. This one.
Which one?
This one. I mean this one.
This file here. Why do you need this file? Is all.
Yes.
That's odd. Oh, but I could have emailed that to you. No?
Yes. Also, you send me to get this file.
It's the same thing. With okay, you want to take that? Are you taking it now, or should I just send it to you?
Okay.
Can you do it here? You could have emailed the signing instruction here, no?
Yes.
That's what I did the last time.
Okay, but I already downloaded this
One second.
file. You can send me this on Fiverr.
one?
Also, I have this
Okay,
file.
send it in private. Okay, I got you. Okay, now I understand. Okay, so the file that you download, I can send it to you in private now, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me do that for you. I can do this.
And also,
I can share. I cannot share to that account. Just a minute. Let me go back. All right, so I know what to do. I'm going to share it with you. I'm going to upload it to the Fiverr account, okay?
okay.
I'm going to upload this to the Fiverr account for you, okay?
Yes.
Okay,
No problem.
great.
If
Thank
you
you
send
very
me
much.
it, I will
Okay,
try
one
it.
other question. Hold on. Let me just do this. Okay, let me go to
Okay,
the
thank you.
Fiverr account right now. I should have closed it. 1 second. Let me go back. Where is it? Okay, it's right here. It has your name on it. Fine. What the heck going on here? Okay, great. 1 second. Let me go to your Fiverr account. Not this one. I think it's in this account. Just. Okay, stay there. No, I'll do this. It's in the other account. 1 second. Okay, it's right here. Let me just bring that one up here. It's right here. All right, so I'm going to link it here with you. Let me just go to download. Just a minute. Did I upload it? Okay, here you go. You get that? Check to see if you have it. You got it, Rizzo? Hello? You got it?
I'm checking it.
Huh? I upload the file for you.
Let me check. Let me check it.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay, let me log in the AWS account.
Try to
Please
log
hold
in
on.
while try to log in while I'm
Yes.
here.
Okay. Please hold on some minutes.
Sure. You good?
Uh,
You're
yes,
in?
yes. I am trying to sense the passwords. It's asks me that sense two passwords. Please hold on.
Okay. Should I stop sharing?
Yes, I got the access.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, here is some permission issues. It's showing me. No.
So you're good now, right?
Okay. Let me dashboards.
Do you see the dashboard, the console
Okay,
dashboard and everything?
let me share my scan.
Okay.
Would you tell me which location the developer used for your
Check Ohio
server?
or Virginia. Either Ohio or Virginia.
Okay, okay.
Ohio. Okay, why don't okay.
Oh, okay. Please share screen. Your screen will fix the permission issues.
So you want me to share my screen again?
Yes, yes.
Okay, just a minute. I have to squeeze this down here. Okay. Uh, give me a minute. Let me just do this. Okay. So let me just go to Did we create the user? I don't think Riza, did you create the user? Okay, this is you right there. Okay. Okay, I approve that. Confirm. Are you there, Riza? Hello?
Yes,
Okay, this is you right here.
yes, yes. I got
So
your
add permission. You have to get the policy and everything. So you're gonna have to create a group with NBG. Attach policy. Let's sell. $53.
yes.
You should have done it one by one. Should have done it one by one. Don't you think so? Because each of them has a policy.
Okay. Let me check it.
Mm-hmm.
Let me check it. Please hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I got the access.
Huh?
I got the access.
Okay.
Okay. Please share.
What do you want? Hold it. What do you want? User access?
Please stop sharing. Let me share my screen.
Okay, just a minute. Oh, you want me to share my screen with you?
Yes, please
Okay.
stop sharing.
Okay, stop sharing.
Yes. Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
You see my scan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, using here is a